Hello, welcome to the second part of the course, Effective Team Management. I'm Dr. Ayla Esen. So in the second part, we are going to start with understanding the social identity theory. Then we will take a look at what a group is, and we will also discuss the different types of groups. Then we will answer the question of what is a team. And finally, we will compare and contrast groups with teams. It's important to start our conversation by learning about the social identity theory. So as human beings, we all have different identities. We are part of a nation, we are part of a family, we are students in a university, we are fans of a football club, so therefore we are social beings and we would like to belong. So this is a need of human beings. That's why as part of a group, we are socially attached. We have emotional reactions to the failure or success of our groups because the self-esteem or our self-esteem gets tied into the performance of the group. It's like you get happy and proud when your football team wins, right? And you also get pleasure. The negative aspect is you also get pleasure when the other team loses. So you get pleasure from the suffering of people belonging to the other group. So therefore, once we are in a group, then it means there will be other groups from which are outside our own group. So our social identities help us to understand who we are and where we belong. And this actually makes us less depressed and happier. Because it helps us to make sense out of our lives. This is what the social identity theory proposes. So therefore, we all want to be part of different groups, and we are actually part of different groups. And then what is a group? Let's define it. A group is a set of people who have the same interests or aims and who organize themselves to work or act together. This is a definition from the dictionary. So what is a group then? We know that it consists of at least two individuals, so it should be two or more individuals, and these individuals should come together for a reason, whether to support a football club, whether being part of the same family, whether being students in the same university or taking the same class. So there is a common characteristic of the individuals in the same group. And these individuals are interdependent to each other and they organize themselves. So there's some kind of organization as well. And all groups set norms on acceptable behavior. So there are rules on how you should behave, what you should do, and which behavior is not accepted in a group. And all members of the group share this. This leads to certain rituals, certain routines in a group. Actually, there are two types of groups. One is formal groups. These formal groups are usually assembled by an authority, for example, by the management of the company. So if you're the marketing department, then this is a formal group. The employees working in the same department of a company, they are there because the company management has departmentalized or has defined these different departments as groups. So therefore, as an employee in a department, you are part of that formal group. Informal groups are formed due to personal reasons or psychological needs, like your social groups, your friend cycles, or the football club, as in the previous example, the football club that you support, so the fans of the same team. So these are informal groups. There is no authority putting you into this group, but it's your choice and you choose to be part of this group. Now let's talk about what a team is. As the name of our course is Effective Team Management, our basic focus is going to be on the concept of team. A team can be defined as two or more individuals who have different skills and different tasks, working together for a common purpose, project, and who mutually support each other. So as you can see, a team is also a group, but not every group can be a team. What's the catch here is that a team, yes, just like a group, it consists of two or more individuals, but this time these individuals should have complementary skills, like a sports team, like a basketball team. There are defense players, there are offense players who try to score points, right? So everyone has a different role. So this is the basic difference from a group and a team. And these team members are mutually accountable to each other. So they have a common purpose, and if the purpose is somehow not reached, then it means it's the responsibility of all team members. And these members actually create a synergy because their skills can complement each other. So let's go into more detail about the difference between groups and teams. First of all, it's obvious, it's for sure that groups and teams are not the same. A group is a collection of individuals who coordinate their individual efforts. But a team is a group of people who share a common team purpose and a number of challenging goals. So purpose is one aspect that differs groups from teams. Teams have certain purposes, goals, specific goals, and they are usually challenging. Members of a team are mutually committed to the goals and to each other. This mutual commitment also creates joint accountability, which creates a strong bond. So you are accountable to the other team members, to your peers in the same group. And this gives you a higher motivation, a stronger motivation to perform in order to achieve the group's purpose or the goal. So a team is much more tied to each other than the individuals in the group. This was the basic content of the second part of our course. And in the third part of this course, we are going to take a look at different types of teams. There are actually 4 basic types of teams: problem-solving teams, operational teams, self-managed teams, and virtual teams. So in the next part, in the third part, we will see what these teams are about, how they function, and how they differ from each other. We will also give examples for each different type of team. So thank you for participating, and I hope to see you in the third part of this course.